guys, so you didn't see me for a longest time. Sorry, cause I was really busy that time. 3 days that I didn't take a vlog. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I didn't take a vlog because I was so busy that time with my friends, my family, and my ex. Coming up. So right now I'm just selling all this stuff. Yes. And all this. If you guys want it. And La Boo Boo. La Boo Boo, La Boo Boo, La Boo Boo. But yeah, I don't know why. I'm really sleepy already too. Damn guys. Your boy is so very drunk yesterday night. I don't know why. What happened or what? But 31, 62. Magkaka-tied up sila. Spurs still gonna win because sabi ng pero naalis ang Piston. New York Knicks versus Spurs ang ang bet ko. Because Spurs win since 2016, I think. I'll say that now. Knicks championship. Oh shit, 1973. Since 1973, New York Knicks. Yeah, 1973. Yeah, 1973 still win it. Tapos Spurs in the other since 2014. Yeah, 2014. 12 years ago. Tapos Cubs win Cubs championship since 2016, 10 years ago. So how many times 2016 Cubs, tapos Thunder since last year, like last year, 2025. To 2025 last year. So last year Thunder, Spurs, Knicks, and Cubs. So that 3 teams, Thunder is not gonna win a champion if they defeat Spurs. But yeah, shout out to Spurs Nation. Hopefully you guys won in the championship from Western. Wemby don't be injured always. Don't. So make a move. Copy Steph Curry, copy Kevin Durant, copy everybody in the team, bro. Destroy the Thunder. Cause shy. I don't like shy, bro. Mas mayabang siya. Tsaka parang nayayabang sa mga mundo. Alam ko marami siyang pera. Tapos yung MVP niya, chillax and chillax, happy na happy, full life. Sana mawin yung Spurs, bro. Make it tied up to 101, tapos ganyan-ganyan. Cubs, sorry, pero New York Knicks ako. Pupunta ako kay Knicks. Because Jalen Brunson, come on Jalen. 3 points, always. Make a half court or full court, whatever. You can do it. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next week. I mean, tomorrow, Friday, right? Damn. Thursday today is throwing the trash day. Friday, I'ma relax. And then Saturday, Sunday, I'ma relax too. I'ma do vlog every day except weekends. So sorry I didn't do a vlog on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday because I was really busy. I'm about to do vlog yesterday, but then I got nothing. Nalasing mga putang na. But see you guys later.